welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today it is Monday, July the 28th of 2025, and we're at Kroger, which is really weird on a Monday. That doesn't typically happen, but we had to come back to Kroger because we are heading out of this current sale. We have today and tomorrow before this sale ends on most of these things. And oh my gosh, guys, there are some phenomenal deals that popped up over the weekend. I am so excited to share them with you guys with new digital coupons we got. Combining that with the Kroger sales, it's amazing. I am super excited. So you're gonna wanna run because this ends on Tuesday. So get over here as soon as you can. We got crazy hot deals on ice cream, which can't go wrong with that. And then also detergent, laundry, or not really detergent, but laundry like scent boosters, laundry rinse, really good laundry deals. It's just awesome. I'm so excited. So you're gonna wanna make sure you stay tuned for this video. So in the description box below, I do have a link to the printable breakdown. You can print that out, bring it with you in the store. If you're on your phone, it's available. Please make sure to actually watch the video. That is what helps me out, unless we continue to bring you guys these videos week after week. But it'll be down below, so you don't have to hear everything out, unless of course you want to, which is cool as well. Then also, if you're not already signed up for the rebate apps, go ahead and get signed up. I have all my referral codes down below to go on ahead and get on these apps, and you will save and you will make so much money. So anyways, guys, without further ado, let's just dive right into our Kroger deal. Is really awesome. I am not sure when this changed, but Kroger actually made a change to their registers for the better, that the weekly digital coupons are now working as they should have all along with the manufacturer digitals and not freaking out when a coupon is. So let me just go ahead and explain the deal. So we have these L'Oreal L Vibes, normally $5.49 a bottle, but they're on weekly digital deal for $2.99. Go ahead and buy two. It's going to be $5.98. We have a manufacturer digital coupon that popped up for $4 off of two. Typically what would happen is this would throw off one of our digital discounts, and you would end up paying like $4.49, and the $4 coupon would come off, and you pay $2.99 for the other one instead of what it should do, actually making it $1.98 for both, or 99 cents each. Well, they fixed it, and it is now working to do that. So you actually will pay $1.98 for both of these, or 99 cents each. I actually tested it.
Place your item on the belt. Your total is $2.41. If you
and worked perfectly. So an amazing deal for the L'Oreal this week at Kroger, and happy to see that change. Oh my gosh, guys, we have such a hot ice cream deal right now. Well, it's not hot because it's ice cream, but it's hot, perfect for the hot weather. So this deal is incredible on the Blue Bunny soft serve ice creams. So these guys are $2.99 each at Kroger right now, on sale, down from $5.99. We have a stack. So we have $1.88 back on Shopkick, which is 470 kicks between buy it and scans. And then we have a rebate on Fetch for 1,000 points back. Now, there are a couple of different ones. There's a rebate that's at Walmart only, and then there's a rebate that includes Kroger. So you're good to go there. So you get 1,000 points back on Fetch, which is worth 74 cents, assuming you use your Fetch points for a $5 Kroger gift card. So after that, it makes these ice creams 37 cents. Unreal. So such a great deal for the Blue Bunny. Oh my gosh, guys, we have an excellent deal on the body armor drinks over here at Kroger. This is like amazing. So these guys are normally $1.67 each, but they are on sale 10 for 10, which is just $1 each. So $1. Buy two of them because we have a really nice rebate over on Swag Bucks or My Points for $1 back when you buy two. So it actually just make these 50 cents a piece, which is outstanding. And remember, with these, you can actually do the rebate on each of the apps. So you can do one transaction, upload that receipt to Swag Bucks, do another transaction, buy two more, submit that receipt to My Points. It should also be on Inbox Dollars and Tada. So if you like body armor drinks, you can get it from normally $1.67 down to 50 cents. Definitely should stock up. So a great price. Gosh, guys, we got deals today on laundry products at Kroger. You're going to want to run because this is a really good deal, especially if you're in an area that is not a true BOGO store. So Kroger has a buy one, get one free sale going on select laundry products, and we have new digital coupons that popped up. You might be thinking, what do you mean not a true BOGO store? Well, Kroger does things one of two ways. If you're in a store where buy one, get one free actually means you have to buy one and get one free, it makes a difference because there are many Kroger stores that actually you just buy one and it rings up for half off. So for instance, these Tide Pods are $7.99, buy one, get one free. In my area, one rings up $7.99 and the second one rings up for $0. But in some of you guys' areas, it'll be $3.99 for just one. That makes a difference because you don't actually have to buy two. And that makes a difference with the coupons because the digital coupons don't come off on a free item. So hopefully that makes sense. How can you tell what your store is? Just go to the Kroger app. You can type in Tide Power Pods or whatever. You can scan the barcode in the store. And if it says $3.99, then you only have to buy one. If it says buy one, get one free, then you actually have to buy two. So hopefully that makes sense. Also, something that makes a difference in this, if you're in a store where it really is buy one, get one free. So buy one at full price, get one free. You're going to want to make sure you do the transactions where the free item, because it's of equal or lesser value. So let's say, for instance, we have a deal on this Tide Boost stuff that's $7.99. We also have a deal on this Money Unstoppable that's $4.99. What you're going to want to do is if you're going to do both of those deals, you're not going to want to do it both in one transaction because it's of equal or lesser value. So what it'll end up doing, let's say you do buy one, get one free on the Tide Fabric Rinse and buy one, get one free on the Unstoppables. What it'll do is it'll just make both Unstoppables free, which will not have any of your Unstoppables coupons come off, and you'll be left to pay $7.99 times 2 for the Tide. So you're going to do, let's say you want to do both deals. You do one transaction with the Tide Boost, then you do a separate transaction with the Downy. That way, all your coupons work, and you're truly getting the best deal for buy one, get one free because it's of equal or lesser value. I know that's a lot, and I hope that makes sense. We have some really excellent deals with this, and if you are in an area where it's not True BOGO, where you can just get one for half off, then it doesn't matter to you. But in True BOGO, that is how it works. So let's go ahead now and talk about the deals. First deal is on the Downy Unstoppables, the 5.9 ounce bottles. So this one here is 5.9 ounces, this toasted vanilla. This is $4.99, buy one, get one free. And we actually have a digital coupon that popped up that is valid for the 5.9 ounce for $2 off. So if you're in a half price store, you just buy one, it brings up $2.49. You use that $2 digital, so you'll pay 49 cents, which is insane. If you're in a True BOGO store like myself, you would buy two, it's going to be $4.99. $2 coupon comes off, so you'll pay $2.99 for two or $1.50 each. We have a different coupon that is valid for the 5 ounce. So this one and this one, these are 5 ounce bottles. There is a $1.50 coupon that works on those. So if you are in a half price store, you pay $2.49, use the $1.50 coupon, you get it for 99 cents. If you're in a True BOGO like myself, you would pay $3.49 for both or $1.75 each. So there is that. And then the big Downy Unstoppables, it's the 6.9 through the 9.1 ounce bottles, selected varieties. These guys are $7.49, buy one, get one free. Here's the other ones that are the fusions, these. Okay, this one. These guys, $7.49, buy one, get one free. There is a $2 off digital coupon for that. So if you're in a half price store, $3.75 for one, use the $2 digital, you'll pay $1.75. If you're in a True BOGO store, you'll pay $7.49 for both, use the $2 digital, it makes it $5.49 for both or $2.75 each. So there definitely is a difference between the True BOGO stores and the half price for one item store, but outstanding deals for. We also have a deal on these rinses. So we have the Downy and the Gain rinse down here. These little ones, they're actually not that small. They say trial size. Who travels with that? It's really not a trial size, I don't think, but that's what it says. So I don't know. $5.79, buy one, get one free. We do have a digital coupon for, let me check my notes, $1.50 off. So if you're in a half price store, it's going to ring up for $2.90. You're going to use that $1.50 digital and pay $1.40. If you're in a True BOGO store like myself, it'd be $5.79 for both. Use the $1.50 digital and pay $4.29 for both or $2.15 each. So there's that. And then the bigger ones, which includes Tide and Downy, these guys are $7.99. Buy one, get one free. And then if you do a half price BOGO store, it'd be $3.99. You would use the digital coupon we have for $2 off. So you'd pay just $1.99. Or if you're in a True BOGO like myself, you pay $7.99 for two, use the $2 digital, making it $5.99 for both or $3 each. So if these are products you use, especially if you are in a half price BOGO store, but even if you're in a True BOGO store, phenomenal deals for all these laundry products at Kroger. Right. So we have an excellent deal here on these Wassa crackers or whatever over here at Kroger. So these guys are normally $4.79 each, but they are on sale for $3. And we do have a really nice rebate over on the Merryfield app for $1.75 back. Merryfield is a lot like Fetch used to be. So basically with them, every 1,000 points is equal to $1. So 1,750 points is equal to $1.75. You use those points for various gift cards. So it's a really cool app. Actually, we don't get as many deals with it, but they do have some good stuff from time to time, including this. So it makes it just $1.25, which is outstanding, down from $4.79. right, so really nice deal here on the Starbucks Crema Collection coffees. These guys are normally $10.49, but they are in our mega event for $6.99, and we do have a $3 rebate on Ibotta. So after that, it makes it $3.99 for these, which is a pretty awesome deal, down from that price at $10.49, and a whole lot cheaper than going to Starbucks. So nice. We also have a couple of just really good sale prices on the mega event. You don't even need coupons or anything. So the Splash Water, 99 cents for a 6-pack, outstanding. Like, that is outstanding in 2025. And these used to be like $1 all the time, but those days are over. So 99 cents on sale, awesome. Guys, I don't think I mentioned this before on this mega event, but a really good deal we have is on the Lando Frost, the deli shaved meat. These guys are normally $3.49 each, but they are a part of the mega event for $1.49. That is the cheapest I've seen lunch meat in quite some time. They are thin pieces, but they're pretty good. So really nice deal. Guys, that's all I have for this Kroger Deals video. I really hope y'all did enjoy. Run, get in here as soon as you can, because these deals are awesome. I'm so glad it really picked up. Like, Wednesday wasn't the most exciting, but it really picked up this weekend. So you're going to want to get here before these sales end. So anyways, that's all I got. Hope y'all enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.